Okay, back at Geno's Air Cool and Transaxle Performance. I'm going to weld up these gears to show you what I've got cardboard here. If it catches on fire, I'll put it out. But I'm going to weld these gears up here to show you how I do it. Anyhow, I got to put my gloves on. Ready? So, what I do when I weld my gears, I cut a slot on them, here and here, and fill it in with weld. So, here we go. I'm going to put my glasses on too, my close glasses. Try to get over here so you can see. My biggest problem is I can't always see where I'm going. And that's not bad. But I put the weld on them. They don't come loose. Then what I do is grind them down and fix them up good. And you don't know what I have to do to weld. I have a pacemaker fibrillator, and I got to put tape a magnet over it so it don't shock me. So that's my story. It's just a round medical magnet, but any magnet would work, and that keeps it from activating the arc of the welder. Can activate the fibrillator and cause it to kick in. And buddy, when that thing kicks in, you'd see me jumping hellish here. So this kept the splatter from all my stuff back here, which worked out well. Once I grind them down, I'll show you about that then. Back at Geno's Air Cooled and Transaxle Performance. We'll be back for more.